Data science, data mining, machine learning, deep learning, and artificial intelligence are highly interrelated and overlapping fields of science often confused with each other. In this video, I will explain each with examples. The ultimate goal of data science is to make sense of data. It includes all fields of study that help to build a system that can do this, such as auto recommendation systems. Whereas data mining incorporates tools and techniques that try to find the hidden patterns in data, such as interesting associations. Machine learning are mathematical and statistical techniques that use to train for learning patterns from data itself without explicit coding. Deep learning uses complex algorithms inspired by the way the human brain works, often uses deep neural networks. Whereas artificial intelligence is a software product that helps computer systems to imitate human-like intelligence for solving computational problems that requires human-like decision making. To build an AI product, you need to use data science, data mining, machine learning, and sometimes deep learning. For example, in biomedical science, data science may help physicians in recognition of medical conditions using data such as MRI scans. In this scenario, data mining techniques will help to collect, prepare, label, and segment medical data by types of medical condition. Machine learning and deep learning techniques here can be used to recognize and classify disease. Finally, we can make artificially intelligent decision support system to help physicians. Thank you.